rat-a-tat.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
Where's the cookie?
I sent it down.
Well, it ain't here.
Yeah, it is.
What up?
No stuff.
No stuff?
It's there.
No, it ain't.
Quit that, fool.
Who you calling fool, fool?
Don't make me come down there.
Oh!
Stop playing.
Oh, you better come down here.
Shut up.
You shut up!
Shut up.
You shut up!
Shut up.
Call.
Fairground spot's doing really good, lots of traffic.
Hey, I shut up while I'm in a hand.
You know what? 200.
It's too deep for me.
Did I get you? Let me see what you got. You got a set? You had 3/8 on the turn and you don't raise. And then you fold at the river. It's too bad. Ocho loco, this guy, huh? All right, guys, give me the cards.
Sorry. Yeah. Hold up. Problem on 5th Street. Some skells say they didn't get their stuff.
It's your crew.
Off you go, Ocho loco. Okay.
Yo, maybe we could shoot the pipe. Like with a gun.
Hey, we ain't shooting nothing.
Oh, okay, well, we paid for our shit, so we're getting our shit. Yeah. Where's our glass? We gonna kick your ass. Yo, give me the mic. So I can rap about this pipe. Yo, my name is Mr. Sicky. I'm pretty freaking tricky. Gonna kick you in the thicky.
What does that even mean?
Cause I'm Mr. Vicky, and I'm so tricky. You're thicky.
Whoa,
Whoa, oh, shit.
Hey, we still get our class, right?
Yo, yo.
Hey.
This your vehicle?
No, sir.
Want to come down here?
No problem, officer.
What you doing up there?
Just fixing a drain pipe. Some kind of block.
Guess you fixed it.